Hey there, just a super quick update vid to the last vid I just did. If you haven't seen it, it was the one with the paint can and the smaller internal steel can with the toilet paper where you add the isopropyl alcohol to make either a heater or a stove. A lot of people are asking me though, is there any way to adjust the flame, maybe make it smaller? Just use a tuna can lid. This is a Progresso soup can, by the way, with the pop top. It's got the little lip, and that's just a lid literally off a tuna can like that. It fits right in. So wherever you want the flame to come out, just cut holes in the lid and drop it on. That's essentially all I did. The metal cuts really well with tin snips, by the way. It's been burning an hour with no end in sight. And I just added a touch of alcohol to the top of the toilet paper, not much at all. By the way, that's 91% burning, not 70% burning.